Hello Pisces, this is Akansha from ATR presenting your reading for July 2016. Guys, these are the mid-month reading which is applicable from July 16 till the end of this month. So without wasting any time, let's find out the answer for you all. Okay, so I would pick up this card for you. Now this is the balance card. What this balance card says? That these situations are in control but you are not able to handle them. And if the situations are not in control, then also it requires you to manage them. Anyways, if we are in a state where things are in not equal ratio, then automatically it creates a very negative impact, and we feel that some part is like burdened and some part is relaxed, or otherwise we keep thinking about the other part, we keep juggling between the two things. So you need a very proper balance of emotions, balance of physical health, balance in your spirituality, balance in your work. You need to maintain that balance in your life, and if you are not able to do so, then definitely the results will actually make you feel troubled, and it is not going to give you any kind of satisfaction or happiness which you desire. So if your work schedule is something like that, if you are not able to balance your home life and work life, then it actually requires that you should prioritize your things and finally decide and then make a schedule of it, at what time you will be doing what. So you need to prioritize it, you need to schedule it and then work accordingly. In any ways, you have to maintain that balance, whether it is your relationship, whether it is your career, whether it is your health. In every aspect of your life right now, you need to balance your life, balance yourself. So this card is well understood, I feel. So this is all guys for July 2016. I'll be coming up next month with your readings for August 2016. Till then, you can follow me on my YouTube. You can follow me on Insta as well as in Facebook, and we can connect to have your personal readings. And for that, you need to visit my online store. So do have a look on that. So guys, maintain your balance and keep your things up to date, and everything should be sorted out. Of course, you are a super duper hit creature who can do anything that he or she desires, and maintaining balance is not a very big issue. So that could be done very easily if you want to do it. So that's all guys. Have a very great time ahead. Hope to see you soon. Take care. Bye bye.